Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is just to briefly introduce y'all to my DELI Business Plan Template. So just going to run through the video, show y'all the various components or segments of my DELI Business Plan Template. And then at the end of the video, if you're interested in buying it, then I'll go ahead and provide y'all with a link. All right, so let's go ahead and zip through this. So the first page, if you do buy my DELI Business Plan Template, it does come with a Word document. You download the Word document, open it up, you'll be greeted with the title page. It looks like this. Most of my clients are going to change out the DELI with their company name or their logo. Next section is just your table of contents. It tells the reader what various sections are included in the business plan for your DELI. And in the template, it has all these sections right here. The Word document is customizable, so you can add sections to it. You can add more information to each section and so on. Executive summary, 4 sections: DELI summary, target market, financial highlights, funding request, anywhere in yellow, put your information, and yeah, that's what's in that one. Company description starts with the DELI summary, goes into popular products, goes into the competitive advantage next, leads to the primary target market, and I've got about 2 pages worth of the company description. And so, yeah, just anywhere in yellow, put your information in there. The next section is industry research. I have a subscription to IBIS World. IBIS World is the industry leader in industry research. So what I've done is I've researched meat markets, summarized that information, included it in an overview, as well as some statistics included as well. SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This is smart art, so you just click on the little arrow right here, and it will pop out a text box, and you can make your changes to the SWOT as you see fit. Next section is organizational structure. For the organizational structure, 2 sections, ownership section and organizational chart. To do the organizational chart, again, smart art, click on the arrow here, and make the changes up here. Marketing section for a DELI. Usually, most of my DELI clients are going to have 3 revenue channels, and those marketing channels. Marketing channels typically include your marketing, traditional marketing, internet marketing, social media marketing. So I give you a good start to delve into that information in the template as well. Funding request: much money do you need to get this party started? Dollar amount will be here, terms of the loan here, and then again, you can add more information to it. Financial projections includes 12-month profit and loss statements, first 12 months broken up monthly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, and then goes all the way through month 12. And then it also summarizes your Proforma income statement for the next 5 years annually, revenues, costs, and net profits, and so on. Now that concludes what's included in my Word document portion of it. I do also include a financial model. The financial model is in Excel. And so what you'll do is when you open up the Excel file, you'll be greeted with an information tab, and anywhere in the darker colored cells, you'd put your information in there, and it'll update the financial models in the Excel sheet. Then you just copy and paste those models or those updated profit and loss statements and income statements into your Word document. And the sections included would be your daily sales, your labor, startup costs, growth rates, miscellaneous information, monthly fixed cost, and so on. As a bonus, I do include instructional videos, and you can find those on the DELI Business Plan Template website, and I'll provide you with that link in a minute. And the instructional videos tells you, for the first one, tells you how to use the Word document, and the second tutorial tells you how to use the financial model. All right, so in summary, if you are interested in buying my DELI Business Plan Template, it does come with a Word document, also a financial model. The Word document is well in Word, and the financial model is in Excel. I also provide you all with general tutorials for business plan writing, and those are at this link here. If you do purchase a template, you do need Microsoft Word and Excel to make some changes. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, love to help. Reach out to me, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. Just keep in mind that I'd be delighted to answer any questions before you buy it. But if you want me to help you fill out that DELI Business Plan Template, I do charge for my services. And then finally, if you do want to buy my DELI Business Plan Template, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with templates and you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want it written for you, I do provide custom business plan writing services as well as custom Proforma financial projection services, and my prices are right here. Hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money and have a great day. Thank you.